Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to take a moment to go over yesterday's lesson. Yesterday was about small moments as far as when we were creating seed ideas or zoomed in moments when it comes to writing. And I noticed that some of you struggled with this. And so because this was the first grade that I'm putting into Skyward for the 6 weeks, I wanted to just do a quick reteach. So if you go into Skyward and you see that you do not have a grade for August 27th Small Moments, that's because I'm giving you the opportunity to retake the quiz after I give you this reteach. Hopefully this will help you understand it better, and maybe there was a misunderstanding. So again, small moments. A small moment story, it zooms in on an event that takes place in a short period of time. The story's stretched out and has lots of details. So I could tell you about a story that is about a beach trip with my family, but the zoomed in moment is going to be a detailed morsel from that trip to the beach with my family. So if you think about, that's why we included these watermelon images. The watermelon story is, I took a trip to the beach with my family. We got in the car after I brushed my teeth. It took 3 hours to drive to the beach. Then we unpacked all of our luggage. Then we all walked to the beach. Then we went in the water. Then we went home, and it was fun. That doesn't zoom in on any specific detail, okay? We want to zoom in. So something more specific than this first one is this sentence here. It says, on Friday, my family took a trip to the beach. We spent all day by the water having fun. We have more detail in that one because we know it took place on a Friday, and we know that they were at the water, spending time in the water and enjoying themselves. But we still don't have a specific visual, right? Well, what I imagine or what comes to mind for me when I go to the beach might not be the same as what you picture about going to the beach. Maybe I'm picturing going to Eagle Mountain Lake, and you're picturing going to the beach in Corpus Christi or in Florida or wherever. Or maybe you're picturing some fancy island. We all have different visuals. So in order for your reader to understand exactly what you're trying to communicate, you need to zoom in and give them more details. Like this last sentence that says, on Friday, my family took a trip to the beach. While we were there, my brother challenged me to a sandcastle building competition. And that right there is not an entire story, but it is a zoomed in small moment. And this sandcastle building competition could be the crux of your story or the seed of your story. And it could be a story about how you bonded with your brother by building the sandcastle together. So as you think about these small moments, the purpose of the quiz was you were given 10 examples. One was a watermelon idea, this big one, right? The other was a zoomed in small seed moment that had more detail. Your job in taking that quiz is to identify which one was zoomed in or more specific, okay? And so I hope that reteach helps you better understand what the purpose of the quiz was for. As always, please log into my Teams meeting during your class period if you're confused or you need some help. And so if you look at my announcement, I think it was from yesterday, there's a bell schedule. So just figure out which class period you have with me, which is in Skyward, and then log in during that time period so I can help you through the quiz or give you more examples if these are not very helpful for you. You can also send me a message in Canvas, but again, please go in and check your Skyward. If you do not have a grade for this quiz, you either did not take it yet, so get on that, or you got a grade that was below a 70, and I wanted to give you the opportunity to try again, and I wanted to make sure that you understood. Okay, and remember that the link for my Teams meeting is in the red button. I'm sorry, it's a blue button. It's a button underneath the modules button that says About Your Teacher, and you can reach me there during your class period. I'll be sitting here live for one-on-one assistance or to just speak with you all as a group. All right, guys, happy Friday.